Your 22-year-old skin and your tits like rocks and laughing. Money is no object. It means nothing to me. Okay.
So much.
Anna looks very good, by the way. Not gonna lie.
We are restricted by the laws of nature.
Oh, bro, what's going on with your eyes?
Here is her address. She accepts callers day or night. We shall be seeing more of you, I think.
You should get that eye checked all the time. Like, come on.
Weirdo.
Can I ask you what your secret is?
Spray paint. You see, you can't just use regular makeup on dead skin. It's got its own chemical adhesive. Comes in an incredible variety of flesh.
Oh, he was actually serious.